back to my channel. So for today's video I'm doing a Ashtami makeup look and this is perfect, and I am glad how it turned out to be and how I expected it to be. If you want to know how I created this look, so please keep on watching. So first I'm using a primer. This is by Stay Quirky and this is the best primer and it's very affordable also. I'm using it almost all over my face, in my T-zone, in my forehead and a little bit even on my chin. It gives an instant blurry effect as you guys can see. Foundation, I'm using my current favorite foundation. This is by Color Essence. I'm just taking a little bit and applying it all over my face, and this is perfect for my skin tone. It matches my skin tone very perfectly. It blends very smoothly as you can see. It's medium to full coverage foundation, but if you want you can layer it up for full coverage, but I prefer not layering it up because it makes your foundation look very cakey. Next I'm using my absolute favorite concealer. This is by Swiss Beauty and I'm in the shade 06. I'm applying it all over my highlighted parts and blending it out. Going straight to my eyes, I'm using the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette and using this golden color shade and just applying it my lid. I'm not gonna do too much in my eyes because I want to keep this look very simple yet very beautiful. Then I'm gonna take a blending brush and blend it out a little bit. Then I'm taking this sugar bronzer and just applying it on my crease just a little bit, not too much. Next I'm gonna take this Lakme Natural face powder and set my face. The blush I'm applying is from Sugar in the shade 01. I'm just applying a little bit, not too much, but the Sugar blush is not that great. As you can see, it has no such pigmentation. Then I'm using the same Sugar highlighter in the shade 04. This is a beautiful rose shade and I very much love it. I'm using the same bronzer which I used earlier to contour my nose. This is the first time I'm doing it and I was very careful while doing it, and it turned out to be pretty good as well. Then for my eyebrows, I'm using my Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil and this is in the shade grey and I absolutely love it. It's very affordable as well. It comes with a spoolie. For lipstick, I'm using this Stay Quirky mini liquid lipstick and this is in the gorgeous red pinkish shade. It's not exactly red color, but it has a hint of a pink in it. For lashes, I'm using my usual Maybelline mascara and this is waterproof mascara. Here is my final look. How do you guys like it? Please comment down below. I hope you guys will like this makeup tutorial. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat and Facebook page. Till then, see you guys next time. Bye.